Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have a little test that I'm going to do with one of my new tools. So let's get to it. Recently I added two new tools to my collection. This impact driver is amazing, very powerful. And today I went to Home Depot and I add the new Stubby. 550 foot-pounds of busting torque, and the key feature is that you put it on neutral and you can change the speed. 2 clicks and you change it. So it's powerful, it does the job. I have my old Stubby and I have the new batteries, the high output 5.0s on both. I want to do a little test on my new one to see if I can remove an axle nut with the new Stubby. Now, I know I didn't get a 1/2 inch, I got a 3/8. Probably it's not gonna do it because of that. But I didn't get a 1/2 inch because I have plenty of 1/2 inch impacts. This is the mid torque, high torque, a small. I think this is the same as the Stubby, 250 foot-pounds of busting torque. I'm gonna torque my axle nut to 200 foot-pounds. It's already there. Let's remove the tire to have better view. .36mm socket. Let's see. Yeah, no problem. It has a lot of torque. It's on setting 3. Battery fully charged. And it removed the nut, no problem. So there you have it, the new Stubby from Milwaukee does the job. So there you have it guys, new Stubby, new addition on my collection from Milwaukee. If I found the link, I'm gonna leave the link in the description if you wanna get it, because the old Stubby does the job for small stuff, but the new one can do a little bit more. I hope you like this episode guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one. Peace.